Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're going to explore something really cool about proportional relationships, how there are actually two constants of proportionality, and how you can write two equations that represent the same relationship. By the end of this video, you'll be able to explain both constants and write both equations like a pro. Let's get started. Our learning goals for today are simple. 1. Identify two constants of proportionality, one for y per x and one for x per y. And 2. Write two equations that show the same proportional relationship. So basically, we're learning how to see a relationship from two different perspectives, forward and backward. The constant of proportionality, usually written as k, tells us how much y changes for every x. So if you find x is the number of hours worked and y is the amount of money earned, then k tells us how many dollars you can earn for 1 hour. It's like the rate that connects the two quantities. Let's look at this table. We've got 1 hour, $15, 2 hours, $30, 3 hours, $45, 4 hours, $60. Each time the money goes up by every 15 for 1 hour. That means our constant of proportionality, k, equals 15. You can say you earn $15 for every 1 hour. That's y per x. Sometimes tables are written vertically and sometimes horizontally, but it doesn't matter. You can always find the constant of proportionality by comparing y divided by x. Just remember the direction matters. If you switch it around, you'll get the inverse relationship, and that's our next idea. Here's the key idea. There are two ways to compare the same relationship. K equals y over x, which means how many y per x, and 1 over k equals x over y, which means how many x per y. These two constants are inverses of each other. They're like mirror images. Let's look at the equation y equals 2x. This is already in the form y equals kx, so our first constant of proportionality is k equals 2. That means for every 1x, y is 2 times as big. To find the second constant, we just take the inverse of the first. If y per x equals 2, then x per y equals 1/2. So our two constants are 2 and 1/2. They're inverses of each other. One is 2, the other one is 1 divided by 2. And that's how you find both constants from any equation. Let's say we have a relationship where when x equals 1, y equals 11. When x equals 4, y equals 44. And when x equals 7, y equals 77. If we take y divided by x, we get 11. That means k equals 11, 11y per x. But if we take x divided by y, we get 1 over 11, or 1x per 11y. See how they're inverses of each other? That's the big idea. Two constants, same relationship. Let's review before we move on. Every proportional relationship has two constants of proportionality. One that shows how much y changes for each x, and another that shows how much x changes for each y. They're inverses, meaning one is the flip of the other. Now let's connect this to equations. When we say for every x there's k times y, that becomes the equation y equals kx. When we flip it, for every y there is 1 over k times x, that becomes x equals 1 over k y. Both equations describe the same proportional relationship, just seen from two different points of view. If a car travels 50 miles in 1 hour, then k equals 50. That means y equals 50x, or miles equals 50 times hours. If we flip it, we get x equals 1 over 50y, which tells us how many hours it takes to travel each mile. Both are true, just showing different perspectives. Here's another one. When I divide a y in this table by the x it's connected to, I always get 12. That means k equals 12. So y equals 12x. If we flip it, we get x equals 1 over 12y. Again, both equations describe the same relationship. Let's wrap it up. Every proportional relationship has 1, 2 constants of proportionality, k equals y over x, and 1 over k equals x over y, and they're inverses to each other. 2, 2 equations, y equals kx and x equals 1 over ky, that describe the same thing. Once you understand both, you can switch between them easily depending on what the problem gives you. And that's it. Now that you understand both constants of proportionality, you're ready to write equations and explain how quantities are connected in both directions. If you want to keep practicing, check out the YouTube channel where you can find practice problems on another video.